How much money does he make?
$41 million.
Woo! Are you kidding me?
Yeah, fuck
I think it's 41. I think it's 41.8.
Get the fuck rid of him.
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
That's an absurd.
How much does he make?
$41.8 million.
Woo! Close to 42.
Is that more than Brady?
Way more than
By
Brady.
a mile.
Yeah.
Brady's
Way more than
25.
Brady.
Jesus Christ.
I mean, that's a lot, but 42 basically? No way.
That's wild.
I don't think Ben Roethlisberger doesn't strike me as a guy who's going to take a cap hit.
He looked horrific, first.
He looked terrific. He's a guy who wants to play another year so he can get his $42 million.
I mean, yeah.
And
I'd play for another year to get my 42.
What I'm saying is he's not going to take readjust his salary so that the Steelers can sign more
I'm
players.
taking the $42 million and
I don't know.
off into the sunset.
Listen, you've made plenty of money in your career. If you really want to win another season, I'd take a cap hit.
Or you could just make 40. You won your ring already. You get 42
Or
million.
you can just take the 42 million and walk away.
Yeah. I don't know.
Here's realistic, right?
They
Even
beat
if
the Chiefs, they're not beating any.
that
of the
exactly, they're
so-
not beating the Chiefs. They're not beating the Bills. It's not happening.
That's why.
I mean,
think that.
they were terrible last
Or the
year, even,
Patriots.
but they were 10-0
Yeah,
at some point.
I think
No, we're the Patriots.
I mean, they were 10-0. Like,
and then they went.
The Patriots went 8-0 the year before that
The
too.
football team ruined them, right?
yes, they did. They broke them.
They broke them.
Football team ruined them.
Just facts.
And it all went downhill.
Yeah, I mean, I don't think. I mean, if he wants to stick around, if he wants to take the pay cut, try to win, sure, go for it. But it's gonna be worth nothing.
You take a pay cut, it's gonna be a waste of your time.
Yeah. Take your bag and go home.
I don't know. I mean, they were a playoff
You're
team
not
last year.
beating. You're not beating Pittsburgh. Pittsburgh.
And
You're
then
not
they
beating
talked all
Buffalo.
this shit, and then they
They have.
lost to the Browns.
I mean, they do have one of the best defenses in the
Juju
league.
Smith is an idiot. I hate that guy. He's
I don't hate him. He's just a dumbass. He's just a dummy.
Quarterback.
Who's this?
Smith-Schuster.
Oh, I
They
love
would
Juju.
talk all this
Hilarious.
trash.
like that when you talk like that. Yeah.
Before
Juju's the man.
Leading up to their game, they were like, "Oh, like they're still the Browns." Like I don't.
Yeah.
I look at them.
Yeah.
And I just
Like,
see the
why-
Browns.
He's
Like,
definitely
you don't
cocky,
say
but
those
he's
things.
Bulletin board
cocky.
material.
Yeah,
Exactly.
It's just like you don't say those things and all. Like,
He's-
I don't care how good you were, like in your first 10 games. Like that's
Hey,
idiotic.
hey, he's young. Give him a break.
Give him
Yeah,
a
and
break.
they also lost in the
What do you want to
playoffs.
give him a Kit Kat bar too? Gee Louise.
I
I like
think
that
he's the
joke.
man. I like
Give
it.
me a break with that Kit Kat bar. Nice.
Deontay Johnson's better on that team.
I mean, I think. I mean, I also think Chase Claypool's drastically overrated. He had like 3 good
He's over-
games.
I mean,
Yeah.
I feel like he just has those big games, and then
Yeah.
if he doesn't have a big game, then he's not doing much.
Yeah.
Juju, I get it. It's one guy I know I don't have to worry about the Patriots.
Who's
It's
that right?
Juju.
Connor, James Conner.
Yeah, he was trash last year
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
Possibly